Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y squared. Next, we have 1 over y dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equals to 1 over y squared dy over dx. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we need to divide both sides by s. Next, we have v and first derivative of v. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that 1 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of f and s. And this one that is about s. So we need to multiply both sides by s. So this one we have v. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 2. So now we put number 1 cone here and here. Number 2 cone here. So we can find the value of c. So I will put this one go to the left, and we have negative 7 over 6. So I will put this one to change for c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.